little bit too much.
Easy.
Okay, today we're going to start with a simple stance. See a ball? You want to put it where you want to hit it. And where you want to hit it is right there. Ah, yeah. And then you put it right there. And then you go, ah! Perfect one. Okay, I hit that dead on. Okay, I'll show you another one. Oh, well, first, before you do that, you need to work on your ninja stance to scare the other opponent. You need to go like, and stay cool when you're doing it. Otherwise, he'll think you're a nut job. And that's never good. So, I just had a voice spasm. I'll show you another ball. Okay! It's time for my idiot's word. What is your name, Mr. Squabbers? Woof! Okay, now we're going to work on those stretches. You have to stretch your arm. So you go, and the three sound. And the jude. Okay, so now that we can't move this arm. Okay, I'm kidding. We can move this arm. We have to do our legs. Okay, now that we're done with stretches, we have to do one more. This stretches when you have to go poo-poo. Okay, poo-poo. Okay. And then with your stretches, you go. Okay, moving on. I don't care.